Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we explore a beginner's guide to earning money online. The internet has become an essential tool for making money, offering countless opportunities for people to generate income from the comfort of their own homes. Whether you're looking to supplement your existing income or create a full-time online business, there are many ways to earn money online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular and accessible ways to earn money online. If you have a skill or expertise, such as writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, or digital marketing, you can start offering your services on freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. Getting started as a freelancer requires little upfront investment, and you can set your own rates and choose the projects that best match your skills and interests. The key to success as a freelancer is building a strong portfolio and reputation. Initially, you may need to take on smaller projects or offer discounted rates to gain experience and positive reviews. However, over time, as you accumulate a track record of successful work, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. 2. Selling products online. E-commerce has exploded in recent years, and with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and eBay, it has never been easier to sell products online. Whether you want to sell handmade goods, vintage items, or dropshipping products, there are multiple avenues to set up an online store. Starting an e-commerce business can be highly profitable, but it requires time, effort, and a solid business plan. You can either sell physical products that you source or create yourself, or use a dropshipping model where you sell products without having to manage inventory. In a dropshipping business, you partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. Your primary job is to market the products and process orders. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to earn money online. As an affiliate marketer, you promote other companies' products or services through special affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing can be done through blogs, YouTube channels, social media, or even email marketing. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to choose a niche and identify affiliate programs that align with your interests and expertise. Popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ShareASO, and ClickBank, which offer a wide variety of products and services to promote. 4. Content creation. If you have a passion for creating content, there are numerous ways to monetize it online. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch allow content creators to build an audience and earn money through ad revenue, brand partnerships, sponsorships, and fan donations. If you're skilled at producing engaging videos, live streaming, or writing blogs, you can turn your content into a source of income. Building a successful content creation business takes time and effort, as you need to develop a loyal audience. Consistency and quality are key when it comes to growing your following. Once you have a steady stream of viewers, you can start monetizing through platforms like YouTube AdSense, where you earn money based on ad views, or by partnering with brands for sponsored content. 5. Online surveys and market research. One of the easiest ways for beginners to start earning money online is by participating in online surveys and market research studies. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for it. While the pay per survey is usually small, it can add up over time if you participate regularly. There are many legitimate survey websites, such as Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and PassiveIncome Research, that pay users to complete surveys, watch videos, and engage with other types of market research. Keep in mind that online surveys are not a way to make significant amounts of money, but they can be a good starting point for beginners who are just getting used to earning money online. 6. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, VAs, provide administrative, technical, or creative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. If you're organized and have strong communication skills, becoming a virtual assistant can be a great way to earn money online. VAs perform a wide range of tasks, such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling customer service, social media management, and more. To get started, you can offer your services through freelance platforms or create your own website to promote your VA business. Many VAs work with clients from around the world, which gives you the flexibility to set your own working hours. The demand for virtual assistants is growing as more businesses move online and need remote support, making it a potentially lucrative career option. 7. Online tutoring and teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, teaching or tutoring online can be a rewarding way to earn money. Whether it's teaching English as a second language, offering test prep help, or providing specialized coaching in subjects like math, science, or music, there's a growing demand for online education. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Preply allow teachers and tutors to connect with students around the world. You can choose the subjects you're most qualified to teach and set your own rates. Additionally, if you prefer creating courses, you can use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare to build and sell your own courses. 8. Stock photography. If you're a photographer with a collection of high-quality images, you can monetize your work by selling it on stock photography websites. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow photographers to upload their images and earn royalties whenever someone downloads them. This passive income stream can be quite lucrative for photographers who have a large portfolio of popular images. To succeed in stock photography, it's important to understand what types of images are in demand. Commercially viable images include things like business settings, nature landscapes, and lifestyle shots. Quality is key, as buyers are looking for high-resolution, well-composed photos. Once your images are uploaded, you can earn money over time as people purchase licenses for your photos, making this a great way to generate passive income from your photography skills. 9. Blogging. Blogging is one of the oldest and most effective ways to make money online. If you enjoy writing and have a passion for a particular subject, you can start a blog and eventually monetize it through various revenue streams. Once you build an audience, you can earn money through ads via Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, selling digital products, and even offering consulting services. The key to successful blogging is choosing a profitable niche, consistently creating valuable content, and driving traffic to your site. Blogging requires patience and persistence, as it often takes time to build traffic and start earning significant income. However, with dedication and the right strategies, blogging can turn into a long-term source of income that provides both personal fulfillment and financial reward. 10. Investing. Investing online is another way to earn money, though it requires knowledge, research, and a willingness to take some risk. You can invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even cryptocurrency, with the goal of generating passive income through dividends, interest, or capital gains. Online brokers such as Robinhood, E-Trade, and Vanguard make it easy to buy and sell investments from the comfort of your own home. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Instead, it's a long-term strategy to grow your wealth. To minimize risks and maximize returns, it's important to diversify your investments and stay informed about market trends. If you're new to investing, it's recommended to start small. Educate yourself about the different types of investments and consult with a financial advisor before diving in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.